Hey, what's up, YouTube? Welcome to another Countdown Quickie. This is Barry. This is the Countdown Quickie where I give you a trending topic in a jiffy. Now, today I'm going to be talking about Coffee's new ad campaign. This girl knows how to secure the bag. So we saw her with the H&M ad that happened some time ago. And if we're online, we definitely know that we've seen her face as a part of the MasterCard brand. And now my girl is now a Calvin Klein model. Oh my gosh. So she posted this picture on her social media and it got, the entire country just talking because, boy, Jamaican people, we are bored and we need something to talk about. So now this has become the latest trending conversation. And let me just go and read a bit of some of the articles that I saw online talking about this. So according to Loop News, they say that Coffee became the first Jamaican to land a Calvin Klein ad campaign. Now let me just give you some background into it. She isn't the only model. She isn't the only person that they are featuring in this new campaign. She is going up alongside Meg Thee Stallion. I think there's somebody called Jacob Elordi as well as Janaya Khan. And so it says Calvin Klein goes back to the brand roots for the spring 2021 campaign, photographing and filming today's most empowering leaders and influencers in an iconic logo underwear and authentic CK denim. It goes on to say, rather than looking to world-renowned supermodels to show off the breathable Air FX Tech intimates and gender-neutral jeans and tanks, this blank canvas photo series moves Calvin Klein in the right direction, introducing fans to the emerging game changers that should be on everyone's radar right now.
Yeah, anything you want, Coffee got the money.
I never did believe you until now, because right about now these bags that you're securing, your money is tall right about now. And so this is a really great look for Coffee, and I have to just say congratulations. This girl is just making waves locally and internationally. Now, once I mentioned this story, I had to just remember that how Jamaican people be. Jamaican people just don't like to see too much excitement, them don't like to see too much blessing, and so naturally they'll be there with their ignorance to showcase it. But like, hey, look at me, I am so close-minded. Woo! Yeah, like that is Jamaican people. So a bunch of them decided to basically say why is she dressing like this? They don't like it, they didn't need to see it. And a lot of men, I was very I won't want to say surprised, a lot of men really started to bash Coffee, because I think sadly a lot of Jamaican men have been misguided into thinking that women are basically on earth to showcase themselves as some sort of sexual fantasy for them. So if a woman is there and she's going to be in some sort of undergarment, it should be for the satisfaction of them own eyes. You get me? And they are very much mistaken. So Coffee, she doing her own thing. She'll show off her abs. Big up Coffee with the lockdown body, because this is clearly what you were doing when you did ask everybody where will we go. You were staying at your yard, you did a ton of your yard and a workout, and do you look at abs them and your abs crunch and all of these things. Right about now, you're ready for your 4x1. Jesus Christ, the button can pass to you and it not going to drop. This is Coffee. So she put up the picture with the caption, spring 2021 Calvin Klein campaign, my Calvins, and she tagged the photographer Mario Sorrenti. So to the people them who out there just kind of trying to bash Coffee, me gonna say leave the girl alone, leave her alone. Like, Coffee is such a pleasant person. I met her one time and she just so unbothered. Like, this girl just is like a ball of light. Like, if you meet her and eat her, like something really wrong with you, because like me, I like Coffee, you don't need for so nice and so bubbly and so chirpy. Like, it just not make no sense. And so I'm just like, yo, load this girl alone. And for those of you, please just travel, see if you can just go to the embassy, try go passport office, go get your passport and try to see if you can travel, because many of you are so close-minded because you've not traveled. And for those and some who just don't read, so they can't even expand the mind for really understand that there are people who dress differently, who behave differently, and are different, aren't just like march the beat of them own drum. And that is pretty much like okay, but instead choose to kind of be loud within the ignorance and feel as if that is going to make be cool. But y'all will never be as trendy as Coffee, because she is doing what she said in the song Switch It Up, and that is minding the business that pays her. Them not gonna try way out on no today. that's basically it, you know, burritos. So that is what I have to say, and I'm just going to urge Jamaicans, congratulate the girl. She has a Calvin Klein campaign. Justin Bieber, she's not the only woman who's ever been a part of this. She's not the only person to have rocked a similar outfit like that. You had Kate Moss, you had what's her name, that Kardashian, let me see, Kim, Chloe, Kendall Jenner, you know, she was a part of the ad campaign as well. There's so many people, so just please just congratulate this girl and don't jump on it with the hate, because what will happen is that when this girl becomes like a mega star, all of a sudden everybody wants to come and claim her and say, yo, Jamaican, yeah, support this girl from now while she's still, you know, on that trajectory to greatness. You get me? So that is it, burritos. Thank you so much for watching this countdown quickie. Please do, you know, do the usual like and your comment. I want to hear your thoughts. What do you think about Coffee and this new ad? Did you have an issue with the photograph? Did you want her to look differently? Like, I just want to hear your guys' thoughts and sound off in the comments. So bye bye. That is it for this countdown quickie.